Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install and review FLOLAB's new OneTime Pro 3D screen protector for the iPhone 15 Pro. So I've had the non-3D version of this screen protector on my 15 Pro since launch, and it's been fantastic, but the 3D version is supposed to be even better, giving you more edge-to-edge protection, plus a new anti-rainbowing feature, which should allow you to be able to use your polarized sunglasses while using your phone with the screen protector on it, and not have all those irritating rainbow reflections. So really excited about that. And of course, like FLOLAB's other screen protectors, this one is going to give you antimicrobial protection. It's got anti-reflective glass, which is going to give you better sunlight visibility, and it's covered by FLOLAB's limited lifetime replacement warranty. So if it breaks, FLOLAB will replace it for a relatively reasonable shipping and handling fee. So really cool product. In this review, I'm going to show you how to install this on the iPhone 15 Pro, and then we can check out the results. Let's get started. So looking at the contents of the box, you've got your screen protector, which has been pre-installed inside the installer. It makes things a whole lot easier. And then we've got our suite of installation tools. So you've got a squeegee, you've got a cleaning wet wipe, you've got a microfiber cloth, you've got a super huge dust removal sticker, and of course you've got your installation manual. So to start off with, be sure to be working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. Then the next thing you're going to need to do is remove any cases or screen protectors you have on your phone. So sadly, I'm going to have to remove this lovely screen protector from FLOLAB. Loved the original OneTime Pro screen protector. I hope that the new 3D version is going to be just as wonderful. Next, what you need to do is power down your phone, and then you're going to need to clean your phone with the included wet wipe, and then dry it with a microfiber cloth. And finally, take your super huge dust removal sticker and put it on top of your phone in order to remove any remaining dust. Next, take a look at your installer. Once you remove that dust removal sticker, you're going to place this on top of the phone. Be sure to align it correctly because there is a top and a bottom to this. Next, take a hold of the plastic tab and begin to pull out. You're going to pull out a whole lot of plastic, so just be patient. Keep on pulling until it's all out. And then you want to take your finger and run it very slowly down the middle. Very slowly. And then you're going to wait for 20 seconds before you remove the installer. Once the 20 seconds have passed, what you need to do next is locate these little tabs at the top and the bottom, and then you're going to remove the plastic bit from the tabs. You've got two at the top, and then you've got two at the bottom. Remove those, and then you can pull off your plastic installer. Finally, you need to remove this top piece of plastic. And then use the included squeegee or your fingers to remove any remaining bubbles. Looking at the results of the installation, everything looks absolutely perfect. This was an extremely easy install. There were a few bubbles afterwards, but they came out quite easily using the squeegee and my fingernails. So as you can see, we've got an absolutely perfect alignment on this. FLOLAB has really perfected that installer, and you have really almost edge to edge. There is just the tiniest area that is not covered up. The edges are smooth and rounded. This is very thin, adds almost no thickness to the phone. Everything looks beautiful. So we got this antimicrobial coating on here. This also has an anti-reflective coating, which is going to help with sunlight visibility, although it doesn't have the matte finish that my previous FLOLAB screen protector had on it. As far as look and feel is concerned, everything seems great. So you've got excellent optical clarity on here, no strange yellow or blue cast to the screen, slippery smooth underneath the fingertips, excellent oleophobic coating, very responsive in terms of haptic touch, and I think that the anti-reflective coating works well, reduces the amount of reflections you get on your screen, and I'm really happy to say that the anti-rainbowing works really well. So I took this outside, used it with my polarized polarized sunglasses on and no issues at all. So really, really nice. So for those of you that may be concerned about the size of the black borders on this screen protector and whether they are encroaching on the screen in camera mode, covered up with a black cloth, you can see that all 4 of these positioning brackets are visible. So I think we're in pretty good shape there. So checking this out with some cases, you got the Case-Defy Impact, Rhino Shield Solid Suit, Mouse Limitless 5.0, and a Spec Presidio 2 grip. So checking this out with the Case-Defy Impact. So as you can see here, we do have a slight reduction in the amount of lip for this case, but other than that, I think everything looks great. You have got an almost edge-to-edge fit. There is just the slightest space remaining, but we don't have any lifting. We don't have any issues there. Just a great fit here with the Case-Defy Impact and the FLOLAB OneTime Pro 3D. Checking this out with the Rhino Shield Solid Suit case. Everything looks great. We've got a perfect fit on here. There is no issue anywhere, no lifting. Great fit with the Rhino Shield Solid Suit. Mouse Limitless 5.0. Got just a great fit on here. Everything looks beautiful. There's almost no gap in between the screen protector and the phone case. Should give you great protection. Beautiful fit here. And Spec Presidio 2 grip. Everything looks great. No lifting, no bubbling. Just a beautiful edge-to-edge fit. So overall, I think we got a really great product here from FLOLAB. Loving the installer. This is extremely easy to use. Makes getting this on your phone a breeze, so no problems there. And then once it's on, everything looks great. We've got a really perfect fit on here, perfect alignment, edge-to-edge fit. But yet still, this worked fine with all of the cases that I tried it with, so I think it's still quite case compatible. I think that the anti-reflective coating on here works very well to eliminate reflections, although of course it's not going to be quite as good as a true anti-glare coating for outdoor use, but still definitely an improvement. And I think that the anti-rainbowing feature of this is excellent because you can use this much easier in outdoor situations with polarized sunglasses on. So that is all excellent. So overall, I think that this is a great screen protector if you're looking for a high-quality tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 15 Pro. So if you're interested in checking this out, it's priced normally at $39.95, but currently on sale for $34.95. And of course, you can save 10% if you use my affiliate discount code. So definitely check that out if you're interested in purchasing a FLOLAB product. Many thanks to the kind folks at FLOLAB for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel because I've got a lot more iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.